Do you need anything down there?
Actually, yeah, my other blue wrench, if you got it. The big one?
Yep, coming right up.
Thank you. Everything's looking actually pretty good down here.
Oh, just keep looking. Something's really wrong.
All right.
Here you go. Here's that wrench
Thanks.
for ya.
Oh, what's this?
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
you okay?
Just read your note.
Yeah, so I think you're pretty cute.
You got that pen?
Yep. Was it in there?
Oh.
Yep, that's in there.
It dropped. I see. I got it.
So you're responding right now?
Hang on, let me just.
How's it going?
It's more than a one-word answer. Just
Okay.
a second.
Okay.
It was kind of a yes or no question. Okay. Okay. Is
Almost
it
there.
Okay.
Is it good or bad? Good or bad?
Are you okay?
Yep. Just
Okay, hold on. Stay in there, sir. If you can just give us the note.
Okay.
I just would like to.
yeah. I just really need the wrench though.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Is it good or bad? What is it? What is it? Did you read it? Can I see it? Let me see. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm like freaking out right now.
Let me see.
He says my pipes are too tight.
Pipes are just. Really, man? Really?
Okay, so
Huh?
so it's a no?
Looking back. Okay. I'm sorry. I know what you eat, and you don't have to put everything down your garbage disposal. Your garbage is right here.